Mukbang. Let me get close up. Let's see. You see the soft boiled eggs. Soft boils. There's eight soft boiled eggs. The lighting is not good. So it's coming from here to here, here to here, here. It's going everywhere, girl. But that's okay. My eggs will not be affected. Hmm. Mm-mm-mm. It does not take long to eat boiled eggs at all. It does not take long at all to eat boiled eggs, but the light's back there, so it's giving me a hard time trying to eat. On camera. Mm. But yeah, that was all of them. If everything won't stop glowing, but yeah, that's going to be my breakfast for today.